Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit the bamboo stitch. This pattern is very quick and straightforward, and the resulting texture is neat and ordered and is very effective. To begin, you just need to cast on an even number of stitches. I personally cast on 14. So for row 1, which represents the right side of the knitting, you need to begin with a yarn over. If you've never done a yarn over before, it's simply where you wrap the yarn around the needle. So to start, make sure that the working yarn is at the back behind the needles, like so. Then take the working yarn and wrap it once clockwise around the right hand needle. So you take the yarn around the outside of the right hand needle and then between the needles to the back again. And that's one yarn over completed. You then just need to knit 2 stitches. So now you have 3 stitches on your right hand needle. The first one was the yarn over and the next 2 were the knit stitches. Now you need to take your left hand needle and use it to pick up that first yarn over, take it over the 2 knit stitches above it and drop it off the end of the needle. And that's the repeating section of row number 1. So now we just need to repeat that. So first you do a yarn over by taking the working yarn clockwise around the right hand needle. Then knit 2 stitches. And then pass the yarn over stitch over the 2 knit stitches above it and off the end of the needle. And you just keep repeating that. So yarn over, knit 2 and pass the yarn over the 2 knit stitches, and so on. You should now be able to see horizontal bars of yarn on the back, which are created by taking the yarn overs over the knit stitches. And then for row 2, all you need to do is purl stitches right across the row. And that's it, that's the entire pattern repeat. And here is the result of me repeating those 2 rows over and over. And that's it, that's all there is to it. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and thank you very much for watching.